And now we will be dissecting the thoracic cavity.
So again, you're going to pull back and hold tight and then cut.
We're trying to figure out what figure C.
You're going to cut almost to the bottom of the neck.
And again, you want your scissors to be horizontal.
You're going to have to continue to cut all the way up to the bottom of the chin, and you're going to have to cut through the bone.
Get it. Pause it. Pause it. Okay, and then we just want us to cut down the side. Or
So you have to identify the glands.
And you saw their glands. Theirs were really. That may be one.
someone, what is that?
That looks like one of the glands, and I'm not sure which one.
It looks cool.
Wait, so we have graduation practice on Thursday?
Thursday and Friday at 10.
Because y'all need more practice.
Thursday, I'm sorry.
Are the senior girls who play softball, are they gonna be able to make it?
They'll graduate at the baseball field
Thursday.
or softball field.
Thursday's a quick one. Wednesday they said it would take like an hour and a half maybe, and then Thursday it would take like 45 minutes.
Here's one of your glands. About to get to it.
Graduate? Yeah, but I guess under certain circumstances they're gonna let that slide.
Yeah, because it's a school thing.
But that's if they even advance. If everybody is saying they're already gonna advance, then, but it's probably
Where'd they play?
because they've changed, like they've already.
I know yet.
Decatur.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Decatur's good at everything.
I didn't think they're making this one. Well, a lot of things that they're
So
gonna
they're
have.
winning it
It's a good
much
problem to
more.
have,
Yeah,
like the Sim said.
yeah. It is good at a problem to have, but at the same time it's not.
Yeah.
Oh, there they
Is
are.
any problem really good? That is very true.
Miss Elmore, can I go wash my hands?
Mhm.
So-and-so just hit another home run. All right.
So those are the
Here
glands.
it is. So-and-so with
There's a
their
gland. And glands look different. Let me show you this little gland down here. Most glands look like your little pancreas, which is right here, and it looks like a shrunk down version of intestine. It's like all bumpy looking, and this looks that way if we could get the covering off of it all the way. See how that almost looks bumpy down in there? That's what a gland's gonna look like every time. And there's a gland right there. There's a real bump. See that little bump, that bump, that bump? These are glands. So your thymus glands are paired, and your thyroid is a single structure. And this, see if I can trim this. This is your trach. Yeah, and I don't have it opened up, and y'all can do this whenever you come again. I don't want to do your whole dissection.
And then right under it is the
Esophagus.
esophagus.
Yes.
And now, where's the diaphragm? Because I don't think we labeled that.
It's that little
Right here. It's this whole sheet of muscle
Yeah.
that makes
Okay.
a wall between the guts and the chest.
Okay.
That's your diaphragm.
So I don't think-
You got a pretty good look at it here, and it was all together.
Okay.
And that we cut it. In fact, that is sort of holding us back here. There.